Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we talk all things finance and investing. Today, I want to dive into a topic that can truly change your financial future: investing in the stock market. Investing in the stock market can pave the way for financial freedom and wealth accumulation. It's an opportunity to make your money work for you and potentially grow it over time. So, if you're a beginner looking to dip your toes into the world of investing, you're in the right place. In this video, we're going to discuss how to invest for beginners, stock market tips for 2024. Starting early and making informed decisions are key to setting yourself up for success in the long run. Now let's address the common challenges beginners face when entering the stock market. It's normal to feel overwhelmed by the lack of knowledge, fear of losing money, and uncertainty about where to even start. But don't worry, we've all been there. Moving on to the fundamental concepts of investing in stocks, it's crucial to understand the importance of research, diversification, and maintaining a long-term perspective. By doing your homework, spreading your investments across different assets, and staying patient, you can mitigate risks and potentially see higher returns. Here comes the key moment, a game changer for beginners. One strategy you can implement to kickstart your investing journey is setting clear financial goals, starting with index funds or utilizing dollar-cost averaging. These approaches can help you build a solid foundation for your investment portfolio. As we wrap up, remember to take the first step towards investing and be open to learning from your mistakes. It's all part of the journey towards financial growth and stability. So, start your investment journey with confidence and watch your wealth grow over time. Before we go, I want to encourage you to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable content on investing. Leave a comment below sharing your investment goals or any questions you have for future videos. Let's build a community of informed investors together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.